Hey everyone, welcome to today's session where we'll explore a powerful technique to help manage anxiety and panic attacks. I'm Daniel Rosenstein. Today we're diving into the world of emotional freedom technique, or EFT. EFT is a simple yet effective method that combines acupressure and psychology to alleviate emotional and physical distress. It's often referred to as tapping. By tapping on specific meridian points, we can release blocked energy and reduce feelings of anxiety and panic. Let's get started with the tapping sequence. Find a comfortable place and take a few deep breaths. Focus on the specific issue causing anxiety or panic. Begin by tapping the karate chop point on the side of your hand, like I'm doing here. Repeat a setup phrase, acknowledging the issue and expressing self-acceptance. For example, we will say, even though I feel anxious, I deeply and completely accept myself. And even though the world around me feels chaotic and causes me panic, I deeply love and accept myself. I feel calm and relaxed despite the turbulence that's happening in my life and in the world around me. Now just follow and repeat after me. We'll be tapping on different meridian points around the body. We'll start off with the eyebrow point right here. Tapping here and just repeat after me. Even though I feel anxious or panic in this moment, I am safe and protected. Even though I feel anxious or panic in this moment, I am safe and protected. Even though I feel anxious or panic in this moment, I am safe and protected. And then we tap on the side of the eye, even though I have lots of fear about what might happen to me or the people around me, I'm in control of my life, the way I feel and my nervous system. I control my thoughts don't control me. And then we tap on underneath the eye. Every time I feel anxious, I slow down my breathing and I affirm, I love and accept myself, and I know things will get better and better. Every time I feel anxious, I slow down my breathing and I affirm, I love and accept myself, and I know things will get better and better. Every time I feel anxious, I slow down my breathing and I affirm, I love and accept myself, and I know things will get better and better. Underneath the nose, we tap, even when I feel anxious, fear, or panic, I calm down my body, my breathing, and my thoughts. The more relaxed I am, the safer I become. Even when I feel anxious, fear, or panic, I calm down my body, my breathing, and thoughts. The more relaxed I am, the safer I become. In the chin, we tap, even though I fear I may be alone, I am safe, secure, and protected. The peaceful, calming, safe sounds of nature nurture my soul, and it makes me feel good. Even though I fear I may be alone, I am safe, secure, and protected. The peaceful and calming sounds of nature nurture my soul and makes me feel good. My collarbone, we tap, I may be afraid of other people judging me or rejecting me, but I approve of myself. I am self-confident being me. I may be afraid of other people judging me or rejecting me, but I approve of myself. I am self-confident being me. I may be afraid of other people judging me or rejecting me, but I approve of myself. I am self-confident being me. And then we tap underneath the arm and we say, even though I have anxiety of feeling like a failure and people not like me the way I want them to, I am safe and protected. I deserve to be here. I'm deserving and worthy of love and appreciation. I know the more I like myself, the more others will like me. Even though I have anxiety of feeling like a failure and people not liking me the way I want them to, I am safe and protected. I deserve to be here. I am deserving and worthy of love and appreciation. I know the more I like myself, the more others will like me. On top of the head, we say, even though it may seem like there's no hope, I know I'm doing my best and my best is enough. I am enough. I'm strong and powerful, and new opportunities will come my way. Even though it may seem like there's no hope, I know I'm doing my best, and my best is enough. I am enough. I'm strong and powerful, and new opportunities will come my way. Now take a deep breath and reset your anxiety level. It should be less than where we began. If you still feel like you have a lot of anxiety, do another round of tapping the way we just did it. You can repeat the tapping sequence with a modified setup phrase based on your current feelings. I gave you the basic way of how it's done. So I want to share with you a quick story. This method has helped me with numerous occasions when I was feeling anxious and didn't know what to do. A few months ago, anxiety had become an unwelcome companion in my life, casting shadows on what used to be a routine task. It was affecting my work, my relationships, and most importantly, my own sense of well-being. Seeking a solution beyond the conventional approaches, I stumbled upon emotional freedom technique, or EFT, a practice that would soon become my anchor of the storm. The first time I attempted EFT, I was skeptical. Could tapping on a specific meridian points in my body really alleviate the weight of my anxiety? I wasn't sure, but I felt like I had to give it a try. I decided to give it a try, and in quiet solitude in my room, I began the process. As I tapped through the designated points, I verbalized my feelings, acknowledging the anxiety that was taking residence within me. I felt awkward at first, but as I continued, a subtle sense of relief started to creep in. One of the breakthrough moments came when I focused on a particular challenging aspect of my anxiety, a looming fear that seemed insurmountable. As I tapped and spoke about this fear, I could feel the emotional intensity diminishing. It was like a weight being lifted off my shoulders. The knots in my stomach began to loosen, and the relentless thoughts that used to echo in my mind started to fade. Over the following weeks, I integrated EFT into my daily routine, and it became a ritual, a sacred space where I confronted my anxieties head on. The beauty of EFT lies not just in the physical tapping, but in the verbal expressions of emotions. It proves a language for my inner turmoil, allowing me to confront and release emotions that I had bottled up far too long. As the days passed, the grip of anxiety weakened. I found myself facing challenging situations with a newfound resilience. EFT became my sanctuary, a tool I can turn off whenever the storm clouds of anxiety gathered. The power is not just in the tapping itself, but the acknowledgement and acceptance of my feelings. Today, as I reflect on my journey, I'm grateful for the transformative impact EFT had on my life. It's not a complete eradication of anxiety, rather, it's the ability to navigate through it with grace and self-compassion. EFT has empowered me to reclaim control over my emotional landscape, turning what once seemed like an insurmountable challenge into an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. So I want to thank you for joining me today as we explore EFT for anxiety. Remember, this tool can be used whenever you feel overwhelmed. Practice regularly, and over time, you may notice a significant reduction in anxiety levels. If you like personal guidance and support in your journey, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help you achieve emotional freedom and lasting calm. You can visit my website, www.ultimateenergycoach.com, to learn more and book a session. I not only work with EFT with clients as a life coach, but I use Reiki, angel healing, chronic healing, emotion code, and many other modalities to help people reduce stress and anxiety. So until the end of the next video, thank you for joining me, and be on the lookout for my next video where we'll work on other topics to help reduce stress. Take care and be well.